Welcome to Open Rocket tutorial number 11. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how you can import a new engine that's not by default in Open Rocket. First thing we're going to need to do is see where the Open Rocket new engines are stored. You can do that with, if you go to File, Edit, Preferences, and you'll see right here, that's where they're going to be stored by default. Now you can change that to make it anything you want, but we're just going to use the default for now. Okay? The next thing we want to do is we're going to want to open up a motor configuration, see what motors are available. Okay, now we know where they're going to be stored. We need to check to see what's available. So we're going to go right in here, okay, to motor configuration. We're going to do similarly, we're going to do a new configuration. Select the motor, and we know we're going to try to add the Quest C12, which is a relatively new motor. And if you look through this list, you won't find it because it's not in the default list. Okay, so what we're going to do, you can see that I have just selected, by the way, just the Quest motors. And we can do this to see, and the 18 millimeters. Nope, it's just, okay. And you can see there is no C12. Okay. Okay. So we want to add the C12. All right. How is this going to be done? Well, we're going to go ahead and close this and go to source and go to thrust curve. Okay. Go to this website right here. This thrust curve does all the engine simulations for both the NAR and for AAA. Yes, you can do your own. And if you're working for AAA, it's possible that you might want to. But basically, if you're in a sanctioned launch area, you're never going to use a motor that isn't listed here. All right. There's a lot of ways of finding what motor you want. You can search for it, match a rocket, browse by type, most popular. But we're going to look at here. We're going to search for a C12. And here it is. And you can see here's all the data for it. And when it was certified was in 2016. Here's the thrust curve. And here's Rocket Sim. And here's the RASP. Open Rocket uses the RASP files. If you click on RASP here, it's going to give you all the raw data. See, here it is. This is what's in that RASP file. And you could look up in thrust curve. It'll tell you what all these numbers mean. But these are the plot points for the power. Okay? So we're going to go right back. But we want to download it because we're going to use it. To download it, you have to hit this little download button, which we did. And we got it. Okay, now that we've downloaded the C12 engine RASP file, all we need to do is put it into the directory that we got earlier, which is right here, and we just simply paste it into here. Okay. Okay, we closed down Open Rocket before. Now we reopened it up with our model back into it. Okay, now all we're going to have to do is go ahead and see if we can get that motor. Create a new configuration. Go select the motor. And let's see. There it is. Quest C12. It's right here. So we use it. And now that we got it in there, let's go ahead and do a flight simulation on it. And let's see what we get. Running. Looks pretty good to me. Apogee over 1,000 feet. Okay. And that's all there is to it. That's how you add it. You can add as many motor configurations as you want. Uh, and that's all there is. So if you liked it or disliked this video, let me know. Give me a comment. If there's any other videos you want to see or tutorials, let me know. I'm running out of ideas, and I'll get to it as soon as I can. Thank you.